If you're having a problem with gnats that are buzzing around fruit that's laying out in your home, especially around bananas or any fruit that have been sitting out for a while, and these gnats, or some people call them no-see-ums, continually buzzing around, and you're trying to figure out how to get rid of these things, well, this is all you got to do. Just get yourself an open container, something like this, just a low open dish, some vinegar. They love vinegar. Just pour some vinegar in about halfway up, and then put 2 or 3 drops of Dawn, and then just stir it up a little bit and set it out near where you've got your fruit and let it sit there for a few hours, and then come back and look and see how many you've got. And you'll probably got them all. They just can't resist that vinegar. The Dawn soap will break the surface tension of the vinegar, and then that'll let them, when they land, get stuck, and then they won't be able to fly off. So this is all you got to do. Just put a little bit of vinegar in here, a couple drops of Dawn, and let it sit out. So I'm going to head do this test here myself, and I'll show you the results in just a few hours. And here are the results. This is just after one afternoon, about 6 hours. This has been sitting out, and it's sitting next to a couple bananas here where there's always some flying around. And you can see we got 15 of these things at least. Just vinegar and Dawn soap. Hey, if this video helped you figure out how to get these no-see-ums or gnats out of your house, please give the video a thumbs up, and that'll help other people find it as well. Have a great day.